Hi, everybody. For my reading today, I'm going to do my interpretation of Paul Simon's Sound of Silence. It's going to be a little twist at the end. Don't worry, I'm not going to sing it. I'm just going to recite it. So, here it goes. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I lay sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams, I walked alone through narrow streets of cobblestone. In the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never shared, for no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool, said I, do you not know that silence like a cancer grows? Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And so the people bowed and prayed to that neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning. And the words that it was forming said, the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls and whispered in the sounds of silence. I can't breathe. Black lives matter. No justice, no peace. Water is life. Silence means indifference.